17 more than 100 military veterans from across the Northeast participated in an entrepreneurship workshop in Guwahati on Friday aimed at equipping ex-servicemen with the skills and institutional support needed to build successful businesses after retirement from the armed forces, officials said. The workshop was organized by the Northeast Region chapter of PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry to encourage veterans to transition from military service to entrepreneurship and become contributors to the region's economic growth. The program featured sessions on business planning, financial management, marketing strategies, digital business opportunities, startup funding, and access to various government schemes designed to promote entrepreneurship. And the participants, Air Vice Marshal Sanjeev Bordoloi, AVSM retired, said military veterans possess qualities such as leadership, discipline, resilience, and problem-solving abilities that make them well-suited for entrepreneurial ventures. He urged the participants to leverage these strengths to establish sustainable enterprises, generate employment, and contribute to local economic development.
India has got about 4 such organizations. एक तो FICCI FICCI है, SOSAM है, PhDCCI है और FIEO जो एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड है. और इसमें से PhDCCI जो generally they are focusing in North, and now with dedicated people like Nirmala Baido, they are focusing on the Northeast. और यही है सबसे पुरानी 1905. And capacity building programs, policy dialogue, rural development, sustainable business initiative. Whereas FICCI is a policy research और हाई फंडा वाला काम होता है. SOSAM भी इकोनॉमिक रिसर्च नेटवर्किंग वगैरह होती है. ये PhDCCI ही है जो हम लोग आप और मेरे जैसे लोगों को लिए भाई कैपेसिटी डेवलपमेंट करो और कैसे करना है. And I am so so impressed that all 3 of them, whether he is from SIDBI or he is from MSME GFO or MSME Government of India, Madanji, they were talking with so much of emotion, genuinely trying to, help and bring this, Anganwali Kahani.
Officials from the Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, MSME Development and Facilitation Office Guwahati and the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, also with representatives of the NER chapter of PhDCCI, highlighted the range of support available for ex-servicemen aspiring to become entrepreneurs. They informed participants about training programs, mentoring support, financial assistance, credit facilities, and networking opportunities aimed at helping veterans establish and expand their business.
I'm the Zonal General Manager for NSIC. My office is at Bamuni Medan, Guwahati, and we are working under the aegis of Ministry of MSME. This is the only PSU, who's direct working with the MSMEs on the ground, on the reality. We are into financing, training, incubation, and we are helping MSMEs to become an entrepreneur and then to, grow and become job givers instead of job seekers. And we are helping them finance. We are helping them for raw material financing. We are giving training in a lot of fields. And I would like everybody in this part of the country to connect with NSIC and let us grow together. Thank you.
मैं अनुज जैन सिडबी से हूँ और मैं स्पेशली थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा PhDCCI को और सैनिक वेलफेयर टीम को कि उन्होंने इतना अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया एक्स सर्विसमैन के लिए. इट्स अ गुड इनिशिएटिव. इनफैक्ट ये इजराइल के जैसा एक मॉडल लेके हम लोग इंडिया में भी कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा एक इनिशिएटिव है ये. और सिडबी इसमें पूरी तरह से सपोर्ट करेगा. हम लोग ऑलरेडी करते आए हैं, इसमें भी हम लोग जुड़ेंगे और आगे बढ़ेंगे इसके अंदर. थैंक यू.
Namaskar. Myself, Mr. Dominic Pico, Assistant Director from MSME DFO Guwahati, and today I'm very grateful to PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry for inviting us to share the Ministry of MSME in this program. And I'm very sure that in this program, many of them got the message that Ministry of MSME is there to help in the establish the enterprises and to promote the enterprise in the marketing and in the future endeavors. With these words, I once again thank you for PSD Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
The NER chapter of PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry is very proud today to organize this workshop with Directorate of Sainik Welfare, Government of Assam. Our whole aim is that PhD CCI wants to give back something to our esteemed ex-servicemen today who are the delegates present. We don't just want them to become successful entrepreneurs but also job creators. So we have lined up quite a number of different technical speakers today also, not only to develop their skills, maybe in defense manufacturing, but even in pearl farming and aquaculture. So we hope that we will conduct this workshop in more locations outside Guwahati, and we hope to see more ex-servicemen joining in. Thank you very much.